করে পাবো? গুরবে গৌরচন্দ্রায় রাধিকায়স্তদালয়ে কৃষ্ণায় কৃষ্ণভক্তায় তদ্ভক্তায় নমো নমঃ। ভজ শ্রী কৃষ্ণ চৈতন্য প্রভু নিত্যানন্দ শ্রী অদ্বৈত গদাধর শিবাসাদি গৌর ভক্তবৃন্দ। হরে কৃষ্ণ 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 হরে হরে, হরে রাম 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 হরে হরে। All glories to Sri Guru and Gauranga. All glories to Sri Guru Parampara. All glories to Sri Hare Krishna Mahamantra Sankirtan. All glories to assembled devotees. Gurupad Padma Nitlila Pravishto Vishnupad Stoutra Shata Sri Shrimad Bhakti Pramad Puri Goswami Thakur. परम गुरुपाद पद्म नित्रिला प्रविष्ट शिल प्रभुपाद भक्त सिद्धांत सरस्वती गोस्वामी ठाकुर, as well as all acharya and bona fide Vaishnavas. I humbly offer my prostrated obeisance to all of them and begging their mercy to carry the loving mission of Lord Chaitanya rest of my life with purity. Srila Prabhupada ki. Krishna Seva ki kore pabo. How can we get service of Krishna? Krishna service. How can we get? We are always thinking we can have Krishna service. But Srila Prabhupada replied like that. Mukto na hole Krishna Seva adhikar hoy na until or unless we are not free from all material attachment. It is impossible. We are not eligible to render any Krishna service. Mukto means deliver. Deliver means Mukto means liberation. Liberation means to become completely free from all material recognition, appreciation, distinction, name, fame, desire. And until we are not able to free from that, Prabhupada say, we are not able to deserve to serve Krishna. Mukta na hole Krishna Seva adhikar hoy na. We are not eligible or we are not able to deserve to serve Krishna. যিনি সর্বস্ব ভগবানকে দেন তিনি মুক্ত, who fully dedicated to serve Lord, or who fully offered to Bhagavan, that person is considered to be mukto. Mukto means liberated. That person is considered, our parampara considering that person is mukto means delivered or liberated, who fully dedicated to Lord Krishna. Fully dedicated. সর্বস্ব অর্পণে কার্পণ্যই বদ্ধতা কৃষ্ণ বিমুখতা। সর্বস্ব অর্পণে কার্পণ্যই। When we are We are, Karpanna means misery. 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 Karpanna. We have, but we don't want to give fully. Sarvasya. Arpane Karpanna. It was misery. Misery is not proper word. We feel reluctant. We reluctant to offer everything to Lord. That is called Krishna Vimukata. Means that is called Krishna Vimukata. Means the Krishna Vimukh means not fully dedication. That is not fully dedication to Krishna. Mukto Purushgon Jatha Sarvasya Diya Krishna Seva Karen. The liberated person, Mahajan, offer everything to Lord for his services. Tara Krishnarthe Akhila Chesta. They are trying their best ability. The best ability for Krishna's satisfaction, for Krishna's services. Therefore, you can see, our Acharya, previous teacher, says, Sarvasya tomar charane shopiya porechi tomaro ghare. I dedicate fully Sarvasya tomar charane, fully to your lotus feet. Means fully surrender. তুমি তো ঠাকুর তোমার কুকুর বলিয়া জানো. That's like a dog. Like today I can see dog was crying. You can see the dogs, they are not allowing dog to enter to their home. They have one dog, same dog. Same, looks like the same dog they have. One more dog appeared. Last 2-3 days I saw that dog they had. I don't know dogs belong to what. But very bad symptom, Dog crying early morning means some natural calamities going to come. It soon will going to happen. Therefore dogs are crying. Natural calamities. So dogs, although they are not allowing to enter their home, still you can see he is sitting in front of their gate. Sometimes we can see the senior devotee, they are kicking us out or using harsh language, and we feel discouraged and we are leaving. No need to do seva. Such type of behavior is not applicable. Vaishnavas, nature should be like a dog. If you just beat him, still he is always near to you. Right? So our Guru Varga, if they are chastising us, we should always try to be in their favor. So sometimes Krishna is testing our faith in such manner. Even sometime we become a great sannyasi, great sannyasi means famous sannyasi in the in society, famous. That time we have to look what mood we have. Really, I feel I become famous, I'm a great. I'm a great. If we think so, we have to know that is the taste of Maya, illusion. Illusionary energy always surrounding us and testing us. Really we want Krishna or really we want some material recognition, appreciation. So Mahadevi arrange all accordingly. If you really want material recognition, appreciation, then Mahadevi arrange that. And if you really want Krishna, the Mahadevi also arrange that accordingly. Therefore, we have to always think about that what we are supposed to do. What is our goal of practice? What we attain? Our goal to attain to serve Lord, to become servant of Lord. Therefore we are chanting, and chanting will allow us to become free from all material recognition, appreciation. Then next paragraph for this was Guru Kripa Bhatito Sarvasya Deva Mukto Ajayana. Without mercy of Guru, spiritual master, it is impossible to offer everything and become liberated from all material attachment. Sarvasya Deva Mukto Ajayana. Without mercy of Guru. Therefore we have to find out Guru also really mukto, means free from all material attachment. But nowadays you can see whatever I saw. Guru business is very nice business. Without capital, very nice, lifelong pension we can have. Therefore, more or less, everyone we want to be Guru. Everyone, more or less. Everyone want to be Guru. You can see so much traffic to be Guru nowadays. It is fact, isn't it? So much traffic, full of traffic. Everybody wants to be Guru. Why? Because Guru business, very interesting business without capital. Without capital, we can have lifelong pension. How many disciples, that many pension I will get every month or every 6 months, half year or every year. Right? Therefore, we have to be Guru. Why, sir? Why we just work outside? Right? If I work outside, then I will get, according to my qualification, maybe 10,000, 20,000, 50,000, 1 lakh maximum salary. But if you become Guru, if you have 50,000 disciples, 1 rupees if someone keeping every day, your daily income 50,000. Monthly income, how much? 15,000, 50,000, 30, 20, 15 lakh. Or you are working hard, 8 hours, 10 hours every day, hard work, follow the instruction of boss. There is no boss, you are himself boss. Right? Very nice business, Guru. Guru business, very nice business. So therefore, this is traffic, big traffic. To become Guru. Therefore, we can see we are just snatching snatching. You have to be my disciple. Disciple. Huh?
On road or train, bus.
So Krishna, Sri Gurudevari Dhon. The wealth of Gurudev is Krishna. Whatever I wanted to say, because of that easy business to maintain our livelihood, we can see so many people wants to be guru, especially nowadays you can see people are householder. People are householder. And they become guru to maintain their family. Many, in Bengal many, I don't know South India or Punjab or any other state. Same? But Bengal so many nowadays. So, very difficult. Kali Yuga, everything upside down. Everything upside down. তিনি না দিলে কেহ কৃষ্ণকে পেতে পারে না. If Guru not giving us Krishna, it is impossible to get Krishna, to reach Krishna. Even the Vangshidas Babaji Maharaj once he said, দাস বংশী কহে ভজিলেও ভজন নয়ে গুরু কৃপা ভজনের মূল. Vangshidas Babaji says, our bhajan, root of our bhajan means service, is Guru. If you are not getting mercy of Guru, or if you are chanting or whatever serving we are doing, it will not consider to be service. We can, nowadays sometimes people are talking about that. Oh, he is chanting, I am also chanting, no difference, same mantra, so what can... You can see, we are wearing police outfit, police dress, or one person wearing police dress with approval of police department. Both are looks like police. What is going to happen? If you do anything, even in favor of country, that is illegal. You catch one thief, or you kill, you shoot one murderer, it is illegal. But which approved by government, police department, if they shoot the murderer, that police will give award from police department. Award. Authorized by police department. Yeah. Therefore, Prabhupada says, গুরুদেবের সেবা ব্যতীত কখনো কৃষ্ণের অধিকার হয় না. উইদাউট সার্ভিস অফ গুরু we are not able to deserve to serve Krishna. Then again, next para, Prabhupada says, গুরুর হয়ে কৃষ্ণ সেবা করতে হবে. We should serve Krishna on behalf of Guru. So the Prabhupada says, তবেই কৃষ্ণ সেবা লাভ হবে. Then we are able to get Krishna's service. Otherwise, it will not consider to be service. যে জন্য গুরবানুগত্য গুরু সেবা নাই, সেখানে কৃষ্ণ সেবা অসম্ভব. যেখানে গুরবানুগত্য বা গুরু সেবা নাই, whoever not footsteps of Guru, one means Guru Parampara, or not serving any gurus, not serving Guru, সেখানে কৃষ্ণ সেবা অসম্ভব. It is impossible to render service Krishna to that place. Someone making center. Like I can see so many places nowadays in a big society, they open center. Pujari there, but he is not initiated. Just our Kovilpoti temple, one person came to take initiation from me. And he said, I was 10 years ISKCON Pujari. I said, who was your guru that time? No, I was not initiated. How you can become Pujari? Even I saw a person wearing saffron. He said, I am not initiated. Why? This is actually preaching days. Our society allows. It is ridiculous. Religiosity is not a business. It is very important service attitude to help our soul of general public. They should feel inspiration. They should get proper connection. If we are cheating Krishna, cheating society, we should be cheated. This is cheating. It's not business. It's selling books, selling incense, selling bread, selling painting, selling prasadam. It's not that. So, our purpose of preaching to help people's soul, to change our material tendency, from material tendency to spiritual, to our material attachment to spiritual attachment. But spiritual attachment, how we can have it? I have no attachment. I saw many people, they are not initiated yet, but they are temple president. Even their age maybe 65-year-old. They become temple president more than 30 years. It's Kali Yuga, everything upside down. So Srila Prabhupada, 4 paragraphs, I already explained. The next, Amra ki namer seva. Next question. So we can do it later on, or let him answer. Amra ki namer seva means we are the servant of holy name. Are we servant of holy name? That is the question. Someone asked, and Srila Prabhupada said, Nishchay means yes, obviously. Atma Sarupe. Atma Sarupe means our soul. Where near the gate, this human form, they are able to chant. They are able to serve. Right? Atma Sarupe means our human form. Krishna Sarupe, Vaishnava form. Sarupa Vastai, eternal form. Krishna Seva Vyatito amader onno kono kirtya nai. There is no other duties and responsibility we have without Krishna Seva. Without Krishna Seva, there is no other duties and responsibilities we have. But what we are doing, you can see. We do everything without Krishna service. Sometimes we are using Krishna. Sometimes we are using Krishna for our services. Means sometimes we engage Krishna for our services. Why? Because we are doing something in favor of Krishna. Maybe we are giving 500 rupees ingredients to buy for Krishna services, and we are begging. We are begging 5 crore rupees, means 50 million rupees. No, 5 million, not 50 crore. 5 crore means 50 million rupees. 50 million rupees we are begging, we are expecting from Krishna in exchange of 500 rupees. So Krishna said, wow, too much interest, 500 rupees. 5 million. 5 crore rupees, or too much interest. I no need to get to your service anymore. Therefore, we have to be fully dedicated. Then Krishna service. When Krishna will give us, it is more than our expectation. It will be more than our expectation. So, whenever we are in human form, Atma Sharu, Krishna Sharu, Krishna means Krishna's devotee Krishna, Vaishnava. Sharupa Avastha means eternal form. Always. To serve Krishna, otherwise there is no other duties and responsibility. We have no other duties and responsibility except Krishna service. Krishna Nami Shai Krishna Vastu. Krishna Nam is equivalent of Krishna. No differences. Ejanna Krishna Nam Seva is Krishna Seva. Therefore, to chant Krishna's name is considered to be Krishna's service. To chant Krishna's name is considering to Krishna's service. If we just chant Mahamantra, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ramo, Hare Ramo, Ramo Ramo, Hare Hare. If 4 or 8 people you are keeping, dedicated people, in temple, at that 24 hours chanting with playing Midanga and Karotal, you have to know, Krishna become happy, Jagannath become happy. Because Krishna always presents in His holy name. Krishna now is such attractive. You can pull Krishna from Golok Vrindavan to here. We believe if we chant your name, you can pull Krishna from Golok Vrindavan to you. What Narottam Thakur says, এইবার করুণা কর বৈষ্ণব গোসাই, then what he said, তোমার হৃদয়ে সদা গোবিন্দ বিশ্রাম, real Vaishnava, they are chanting pure name, real name. So therefore Krishna, they are pulling Krishna in their heart. अच्छा কৃষ্ণ নামই সেই কৃষ্ণ তো এই জন্য শ্রীমান নাম যখনই এই জন্য সেই নাম সেবাই কৃষ্ণ দেওয়ার পর নাম সেবা টু chanting হরে কৃষ্ণ মহামন্ত্র ইজ কল টু সার্ভ কৃষ্ণ নাম সেবাই কৃষ্ণ সেবা যখনই আমরা শ্রীকৃষ্ণ সেবা বা নাম সেবা ভুলিয়া যাই তখনই স্বরূপ বিস্মৃত হইয়া বিরূপ অবস্থা মায়ার কবলে কবলিত হইয়া দুঃখ পাই whenever we forget to serve Krishna, to chant Hare Krishna Mahamantra, immediately or then what happens? Swarup Bismiti, our eternal identity we forget. We forget our eternal identity and Virupavastha means instead of serving Krishna, we are serving Maya. Instead of become servant of Krishna, we become servant of Maya. No? When we serve Maya, you can see all of the people, they are chanting, they are sweating whole day, working to sweat, for sweating. But still, their wife, what did they say? Husband, what they say? You are useless. You can see. You can see Supreme Court Chief Justice. Everybody in the office, in Supreme Court, they say, oh my Lord, right? But whenever he coming back to home, according to the order of his wife, buy some sari. A wife doesn't like that sari. What's he said? You are useless. In office, just so much study, and therefore he get the job, immaterial job, Chief Justice. So much respect. But when he coming back, his wife say, you are useless. You have no intelligence. What do you feel? If someone say, you do with your best ability to buy a sari to make your wife happy, and Kananga Manjari says, you are useless. What do you feel? Feel happy or? Similarly, Kananga Manjari cook something for you, and you say, you pass your comments, it's not good. What do you feel? Material things like this. No one happy. Huh?
तो वह पत्नी ऐसा बनाएगी अच्छा बोलना नहीं तो पता चलेगा क्या होगा
शादी करावा दो उनको हाँ ये बोला क्या बोल रहा हाँ करो करेगा क्यों नहीं करेगा जरूर करेगा करना पड़ेगा ना इतना मंदिर हुआ कौन चलाएगा भविष्य में चाहिए तो सेवक चाहिए तो भगवान का सेवक लाने के लिए चाहिए ना क्या प्रभु जी देखो ना हमारा राधा गोविंद प्रभु जी देखो विशाल को लेकर आया क्या कर रहा है बहुत अच्छी तरीके कीर्तन करते हो शादी जिंदगी अच्छा हुआ जन्नवा and Radha Govinda Prabhuji. So we hope that's it. So if you are not serving Lord Krishna, you will forget your identity and become a servant of Maya. And if a servant of Maya means always distress, no one happy. গুরু কৃপায় যখন আমাদের সম্বন্ধ জ্ঞান হয়, whenever we get Krishna's mercy and realize our relation with God, তখন আমরা জানিতে পারি, then we are able to know আমরা কৃষ্ণের নিত্য দাস, we are eternal servant of Krishna. Ishavashyamidang sarvam. Everything belongs to Krishna. Whatever going to happen or happening, everything happening by the grace of, with the desire of Krishna. অর্থাৎ জগতের সকল বস্তুই কৃষ্ণ সেবার উপকরণ, everything for Krishna services. Our body for Krishna services. Our marriage for Krishna services. Conceiving child for Krishna services. Make a building, big house, not small house. Big house for Krishna services. Why small house? I want to make Krishna's house. So be big. Working for Krishna services. Jayasri, good or bad? To make a big house for Krishna and we stay there as a Krishna servant, is it good or bad? Just understanding is different. Sometimes when we are thinking, most of the time what we are thinking, people are thinking what? This is my house. This is my house means Krishna will not be there. When Krishna, where is no Krishna, there is only distress, left over only distress. Where is Krishna? Only bliss. Peace, bliss, and happiness. And love. Do you love? Do you like the love? If someone say, someone loving us, that we like or not? What? Jayasri. Someone loving us, that we make happy or not? That make us happy or not? We are running behind love. Why? Because we are belongs to Krishna. Krishna is embodiment of love. Like if something happen, with Jayasri, then Jayasri's mother will run behind who? See, if something happened there, outside, like dog biting you, who will run first from here? Who will run from here to outside first? Who? Mother. Why? Attachment. Similarly, we have attachment with love, peace, happiness, bliss. Why? Because that is Krishna's Sharup, Krishna's eternal form. We are belongs to Krishna. Therefore we are running behind love, peace, happiness. What? Kon? Ken? Kon? বন্ধ হয়ে যান। From USA. Anyway, so we are running behind, because of running behind that person who showing us loving affection, because we are belongs to love. Embodiment of love is Krishna himself. Am I clear? গুরু কৃপা যখন আমাদের সম্বন্ধ জ্ঞান হয়, তখন আমরা জানিতে পারি আমরা কৃষ্ণের নিত্য দাস। জগতের সকল বস্তুই কৃষ্ণের সেবার উপকরণ, এভরিথিং In this universe, whatever we have, everything for the service of Lord Krishna. That we have to understand. Ishavasya vidam sarvam. Oh, what a big term. যাহারা সংসারতে উদ্ধার পাইয়া চিরসুখী হইতে চান তারা সতত কৃষ্ণ নাম সংকীর্তন করিবেন. Whoever has desire to deliver from this material attachment and become eternally happy, want to be eternally happy, they should chant Hare Krishna Mahamantra Sankirtan. This is the instruction of Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Ihai Mahaprabhu Upadesh or advice of Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. তাই ভক্তগণ নিজেকে শ্রী নামের সেবক বলিয়াই জানেন. Therefore, all the devotees, they know they are actually servant of holy name. এবং জগতের প্রত্যেক জীবকে কৃষ্ণভোগ্য, প্রত্যেক বস্তুকে কৃষ্ণ সেবক উপকরণ বলিয়া জ্ঞান করেন. Therefore, এবং and জগতের প্রত্যেক জীবকে every living entities, they are thinking, the every living entity, they are actually Krishna's, belongs to Krishna. Only Krishna is eligible to enjoy them. প্রত্যেক বস্তুকে কৃষ্ণের উপকরণ, and everything the element for Krishna services. That we have to understand. We have to keep our knowledge accordingly. Everything for Krishna's services. Jayasri for Krishna services. Her mother for Krishna services. Your 2 children for Krishna services. Khandipa. Krishna Naam Akhila Rasamrita Sindhu. Krishna Naam is the ocean of nectarian ocean. Akhila Rasam. Rasamrita. Nectarian mellows. Ocean of nectarian mellows. So Krishna Naam Satchidananda Vigraha. Krishna Naam is Sat Chit Ananda, eternal, conscious and blissful embodiment. Krishna Naam. Say Krishna Naam Sam Sundar Jashodanandan. Krishna Naam, non different from Sam Sundar, beautiful form of Lord Krishna. Jashodanandan is a son of Mother Jashoda. Akhila Rasamrita Murti Krishna Namer Sevai Sakshat Krishna Seva. Akhila Rasamrita Murti Krishna Namer Sevai. Krishna Nam Akhila Rasamrita, it is unlimited, mellowful, nectarian ocean, each Krishna Nam. If we serve Krishna Nam, it will consider to be Krishna Seva. এজন্য ভক্তগণ শ্রী নাম সংকীর্তন মুখে সতত কৃষ্ণ সেবা করিয়া কৃষ্ণ গুরু কৃষ্ণের সুখবিধান করেন. Therefore, ভক্তগণ, I already explained you, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare, the Sankirtan, all together if we do that, this is Sankirtan. Wholeheartedly we do that, this is called Sankirtan. Not like I'm chanting one hand and eyes and mind goes somewhere else. It's not Sankirtan. It's Aparad Kirtan. So, then Bhaktagan, devotees, pure devotee, they are Shatato, eternally engaging themselves to the Nam Sankirtan and performs to serve Krishna, and simultaneously the Nam Sankirtan make happy Guru and Krishna. গুরু কৃষ্ণের সুখবিধান করেন। They are performing to Guru and Krishna happy through the Nam Sankirtan. How? When we chant happily. Okay, that is the on phone coming from USA, I have to